See the question, you can read it. Given below are the half cell reaction, Mn2 plus 2 electron gives rise Mn. E naught value they provided, and this is another equation they provided here. 2 Mn3 plus electron gives rise Mn2 plus. E naught value they provided. For the following reaction, E naught cell value they are asking. So we know that one E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. This is the basic point, but condition both should be reduction potentials. Both are reduction potentials. E naught reduction. Okay, then only this formula is valid. Now we can see here which is the reduction occur here, Mn2 plus. At cathode reduction takes place, Mn2 plus 2 electrons gives rise Mn. This is reduction value. Already they given E naught equal to minus 1.18 volt. Oxidation. Okay. So how to decide, sir? Which is occur here oxidation. That's also we are going to be take. Here Mn2 plus only converted into Mn plus 3. This oxidation. And Mn2 plus only converted into Mn. Clear? This reaction we call disproportionation reaction. So I need to take Mn plus 2 to Mn plus 3 oxidation. So this reaction going to be reverse because plus 2 to plus 3 means at anode oxidation occurs. So I can take 2 Mn plus 2 gives rise to Mn plus 3 plus 2 electrons. This is E naught value. Because I reversed that one, that sign going to be changed. When we are reversing equation, E naught value also going to be changed, that sign. Minus 1.51 volt. So what is the net reaction? In net reaction, you should not get any electrons. So electrons should be cancelled. Loss of electrons equal to gain of electron. That is the basic principle. So should be cancelled. Finally, Mn2 plus and 2 Mn2 plus. I can write 3 Mn2 plus gives rise. One is Mn plus 2 Mn3 plus. So now we can apply simple basic formula E cell value. So E naught cell equal to, at cathode reduction takes place. What the cathodes are here above equation. Wherever reduction, that is cathode. So E naught cell value of cathode minus E naught cell value of anode. So cathode value is minus 1.18 volt. Then anode, sir. What is the anode value we are getting here? This is at anode oxidation takes place. Is it correct? At anode oxidation takes place. I can write. This is the oxidation value. This is oxidation value. Correct. If reduction value means this is the reduction value.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now you can check it. I'm asking here reduction value means that should be positive or negative, sir. This oxidation value that should be positive. Again, I'm writing E naught cell equal to E naught cathode plus E naught anode. When this should be oxidation potential. Then also this formula valid. This is reduction potential. Then you can add both plus. Clear? So here oxidation only I am taking this oxidation value. You can write plus oxidation value how much? Minus 1.151 volt. What's the final value you are getting, sir? Minus 2.69 volt. If you are getting E cell value or E naught cell value is negative value and that cell is non-spontaneous. If this is negative means non-spontaneous.
Sir, spontaneous, no, sir.
That's delta G negative, not E naught cell. If delta G negative, then spontaneous. delta G naught formula minus NF E naught cell. Substitute here E naught is negative sign we are getting, minus of minus, what will get delta G value? Positive. Is it correct? Because minus already is there, E cell also negative value we are getting, minus of minus, what will get? Positive. If that is positive means non-spontaneous. If delta G negative means spontaneous. When you will get delta G negative? Whenever E cell equal to positive, then only will get negative value. So I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.